Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. Today I want to show you how to appear offline on Instagram. So it's very quick and easy, so let's get into it. So tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and then go to your profile page and then tap on the three lines at the top right corner and then go to settings and privacy. Now here, just have to scroll down a little bit and go to these messages and story replies. And then you need to go to show activity status right here. So if you want to appear offline, you need to toggle it off right here. So that's how you basically turned off this option and appear offline on Instagram. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.